foster some of these relationships and community events. And I think one thing that I've heard from a bunch of voice artists and other people in other professions, but I've spoken to a lot of voice artists, that a lot of voice artists recording at home, don't have coworkers. It's just a reality of their profession.
Amen.
And so there's been times when it's the reality. So there's been times when we put voice artists in one virtual room or physical room, and as Sam is mentioning, just a lot of these topics come up, whether it's the equipment or just simply the scheduling of their day, all these interesting things that they don't necessarily get to talk about every day with other people that are doing exactly what they're doing. So Fiverr is the homepage for tens of thousands of music and audio professionals. And as Sam's mentioning, we hope to continue to give these people resources and support if we can.